In this video, we will unbox Tenet desktop kit based on Raspberry Pi 4. This kit can be used as a secondary PC either for your work from home or any other project. Let's see the kit content and how to connect it. See, this Tenet desktop kit has a Raspberry Pi 4 that we have already put inside the metal casing. This is a rugged metal casing based on CRC metal, and it is robust. There is a camera also inside, so you can see the notch. It is inside the casing. We have a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, power adapter, and a wireless keyboard and mouse, heat sink, and a 15 or 15.5 or 16-inch monitor depending upon the availability of the monitor. Let's connect the kit and see what is there inside. First we will connect the monitor to the supply, and then we connect HDMI cable to the HDMI port of my Raspberry Pi. Power supply 5 volt 3 amps to the power supply port of my Raspberry Pi, and Wi-Fi dongle for my keyboard and mouse, Wi-Fi keyboard and mouse. Tenet desktop PC will be coming with a 32 GB micro SD card preloaded with a Raspbian operating system. Let's switch on the device and check. This Raspbian operating system comes with preloaded software tools